y'all, so I am about to start learning a new song. It's called Come In from the Rain. Usually I sing baritone, but I'm singing lead on this song in the 4-part barbershop harmony. So I'm just doing this with a little small group of sweet ladies. And so yeah, so let's do this. I don't know it that well. I've listened to it, I've listened to it a couple times. You're a friend of mine. Been searching for yourself for such a long time. There's so much to say, no to explain. Just an open door for you to come in from the rain. It's a long road when you're all alone, and a man like you will always choose the long way home. There's no right or wrong, I'm not here to blame. I just want to be the one to keep you